Hello, everybody. What's up, guys? How are you? If you're new here, my name is KP, and if you are not new, hey, girl, how you doing? Aren't you happy to see me? Because I'm happy to see you. Like, your girl's happy. We got some lighting malfunctions because it's the middle of the day. How about that? We're gonna work with it. We're gonna do our best. So, this is not the video that you've been waiting for. This is a video that I had to make because it has been like 2 weeks in 2020 and the world has fucking exploded. So, let me just start with addressing all the stuff with Jeffree Star. Recently, Jeffree Star and his boyfriend broke up. If you guys don't know that, Jeffree Star and Nathan Schwant broke up. And when I tell you I was a little bit distraught, this like lighting is driving me nuts. Can you see the lights across my face? It's my blinds are here. This is my bedroom. This is what you're going to be looking at for the foreseeable future. So, yeah, they broke up. My heart is crushed. My soul died. I don't know why I was so upset, but I think it's just because I don't know, like I followed their relationship for so long and they were together for like 5 years. That's a really long time. So, I mean, everybody's like, 5 years, really? It's a long time to be with somebody and then break up. So, I don't know, man. Like, I'm a little fucked up about it. Let me tell you, it's hurting my little feels. I keep trying to like adjust stuff in the background because I'll look over and I'm like, it looks pretty nice, looks pretty good, and I'll see it in the corner of my eye like a beer can. I'm like, fuck. But anyway, so yeah, they broke up. Jeffree said just basically that they weren't spending enough time like taking care of their relationship because they were too busy like doing all these other things, and that Nathan didn't want to be famous. And I don't know if I 100% believe that that is why they broke up. I definitely believe that could contribute to it for sure. Imagine if you don't want to be famous and then you have this kind of life and where it's super public and everyone knows who you are and people stop you when you go anywhere. Like, I can see how that would probably be pretty draining, especially on someone who doesn't want that at all, doesn't want to be in the spotlight. Side note though, I'm so sniffly today, more sniffly than usual. If you have been here, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my sniffles. I fucking sniffle all the time. I'm a sniffling ass bitch. Okay? So, yes, Jeffree and Nathan broke up. My feelings are hurt. A lot of like media outlets are reporting that it's because Nathan like wanted to date women, or that, my baby, or something else of that nature happened. And that's not the case, D. That's not the case, Drama B. You guys, Miss BMO, you probably hadn't seen her a lot on my channel anymore. You guys, you see her all the time. You remember how little she used to be? Look at this monstrous beast. Look at this beast of a cat. Do you remember when she was so little, she rode around in my shirt? Look at her shaved tail. She hurt herself, but I figured you guys would want to say hey to her. Say, hey, BMO. Say hello, my adoring fans. She looks mad as fuck. She says, hello to my adoring fans. My fans. My fans, BMO. I love my cat. Okay, you can get down. So, yep. I keep getting super distracted. It's like I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks or something. Weird. But I don't think that Nathan broke up with Jeffree to like be with women or whatever, because if you follow their relationship at all, he was not being stifled being with women whatsoever. Him and Jeffree slept with women. So, and they were very open about that, and they talked about it in a lot of videos that they do those things together. No judgment from me. Do whatever you want to do. I'm not here to fucking judge you. Do whatever. So, I'm just confused about a few things. One, what is Nathan gonna do for money? I guarantee you, when they talk about all these businesses that they own, I think I heard in Trisha Paytas's podcast that like Nathan himself owns like some kind of like marijuana company, and cool for him. That's awesome. I just am so confused because like they just did this house tour where they were talking about it's their new house, but in my opinion, I don't think Nathan ever lived there. Like, I think after they moved out of the pink house, he didn't move into the big house, because I mean, if they were just gonna break up, I don't feel like I saw it coming though. And a lot of relationships you can kind of like tell that like something's funky and weird. Nathan has been weird in a couple Jeffree videos recently, but he's been weird in Jeffree videos for the last like 2 years, in my opinion. I just think that he just doesn't want to do it. Like, he doesn't want to be in the public eye. I can completely understand that. It's probably pretty stressful. So, with that being said, that's a pretty good reason to break up. And I want them to get back together. I hope that they do. I don't know if they will. I want their dogs to be okay. Like, I hope your dogs are okay. And that just really sucks. Like, I don't know. I shouldn't be this attached to someone else's relationship. Like, bitch, get a life. But, like, I am. So, I feel like I'm crooked. Am I crooked? A little crooked. Oh, where are you going? No, that's all my mess. No, this way. Okay. Better? Yes, no, maybe so. I'm looking at the camera and it is tilted, but I don't really know how to fix it. I think it's just this whole setup is a little crooked. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If I don't sit down and film exactly when the mood strikes, I just won't fucking do it. So, I don't remember how I had this set up. Doesn't matter. So, long story short, I'm sad that Jeffree and Nathan broke up. Hurts my feelings real bad. I wish them all the best. I really do. Like, I hope that Nathan does really well. I don't know if he's moving back to Michigan or if he's going to stay in LA. I don't know. But, you know, when you break up, it sucks, especially when you break up and you're a public figure, because then the whole world has a fucking opinion about you and your breakup and how you should handle it. And I can't imagine what he's going through, and I think it's fucking gross. Like, you don't have to like Jeffree Star. You don't have to, but you shouldn't wish that he be in pain. Like, I saw a lot of that on that video, just like, that's what you fucking get. It serves you fucking right. And I'm like, that's awful. You're kind of a terrible human if you're saying that to other people. Like, you're a bitch. Like, why would you do that? But whatever. You know, they're gonna do whatever they're gonna do. People are gonna suck, and I just hope they're both okay. Because coming out of a long relationship like that, it like fucks you up, you know? The dogs are just gonna bark. You're just gonna have to do it. They're gonna bark. Welcome to my channel. The dogs bark, the kids scream, and I will sit here and like fuck with stuff the whole time because this is just who I am as a fucking person. So, if you're expecting prim and proper, you do not click on the right page, my friend. Moving right along to the video that shook the world to its core. Nikki Tutorials coming out video. It popped up. Just like I get notifications for her videos because I love her. And it popped up and I was like, I was just like, she's just gonna come out as bisexual. Like, okay, cool. Like, not discrediting bisexual people. Like, cool for you. But that was my first thing was, oh, she's just gonna come out as bisexual. And cool. Like, I'll watch this. That's fine. And, when she started talking, I was just like, okay, yep, you were a little bit different. I get it. Yep, 100%. I feel you, girl. Feel struggle right here. Nope, okay. Listen, and then she's like, I was born in the wrong body, and my whole body went like this. I went, listen to me. Like, I was so fucking shook. I was like, what the fuck? And me and Scott are texting. We're just like, what the fuck is this? I'm so shook. What the fuck is happening? I had no clue. Never would have guessed it in a million years. If you'd have said that to me, I'd have said you're a fucking liar. Like, I had no earthly idea. Like, have never been so confused. Like, but also, keeping a secret for that long when you're like transitioning on YouTube, imagine how hard that is for her, you know? Like, so this video is gonna be a little weird. I stopped filming yesterday because my roommate came home and she had just done like a cool thing and I want to talk to her about it. And then we cooked like a bunch of food and had like 2 dinners, and then I never picked back up filming because I'm garbage at fucking YouTube. But I do want to continue talking about Nikki Tutorials. Y'all just have to excuse me. I am at work and I'm just in my car. So where I left off with that was I was super fucking shocked that Nikki Tutorials was transgender. Still shocked, and I'm also like super impressed, like I said, like yesterday, but like moments ago to you, that I can't believe she kept it a secret that long, especially transitioning on YouTube. Imagine how fucking hard that is. Like, I don't know how she did it. She did also say that she got blackmailed into coming out, which is, you're trash if you did that. Not that anybody watches my fucking videos, but if you're watching this video and you're the one that did that, you're garbage. You're a piece of shit. You're a shitty human being. Die. But super just like admire the shit out of her for being like, you know what? No, fuck you. You're not selling my story. I'll just tell it my own goddamn self, and because it's mine, and I will do whatever I want, and you're not gonna scare me. No. And I'm so like obsessed with her now, like even more than I already was, because she's amazing. Everyone loves Nikki tutorials because her artwork is incredible. She even said in her video, the reason that I didn't say anything is because I didn't want this to be like a whole channel about being transgender. I wanted it to be about makeup, and I felt like it would take away from my art. And I'm like, you know, you're not wrong, because that's usually what people want to talk about. It's like with anything though, if you have a channel that's dedicated to cooking, and you're like, I'm transgender, then that's the only thing people want to talk about anymore. They don't want to talk about you cooking anymore. They want to talk about like your transition and your struggles and whatever, and it helps people. That's really important videos to make, and I really hope that she does at some point, because a lot of people look up to her, and she will probably make a lot of kids feel like they're not alone. She also talked about how supportive her mother was in the whole situation, which I think is just fucking incredible. That her mom was just like, yeah, cool, like it's fine. And that her like now fiance knows and is super supportive. I think it's a little shitty that people had to be like, well, does your man know? Well, yeah, he knows. Why would you put it on fucking YouTube if he didn't know? Number one, like, let's be smarter. Because now the whole world knows. You think he's gonna watch it with everyone else and just be like, honey, is there something you want to tell me? Like, I don't know. Doubtful. But I think she's amazing. I'm so glad she did that. Like, that was just she's so fucking cool. I love her even more. 2020 has been weird. But, anyway, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this up. Also, isn't my eyeshadow pretty? Like, this is you can't tell that it's like yellow and orange, because for some reason the lighting, you can't tell that it's like yellowy, orangey glitter. I got it in a BoxyCharm. Like, we'll talk about it one day, because I really like this. It's the only time I've ever used this palette. It's a little patchy, but obviously that could be user error. And I've also had this on since like 5:30 this morning, and it is like 3 in the afternoon. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's garbage and I'm such a trash YouTuber. Thank you for watching. If you feel so inclined, you can give this video a thumbs up. An encouragement for me to do better next time. The video with me and Val is coming. It's coming. We're gonna post it. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. It's already filmed. It's gonna go up. And yeah. If you want to follow me on all my other social media accounts, you can follow me on Instagram at grungexglitterx, or you can follow me on Snapchat and Twitter at grungexglitter. And oh no, the music demonetized. My car is weird. Anyway, thanks guys. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I love you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.